Welcome to Project Kleinburg, everyone. Very excited to show this off. So what we did here is a beautiful wainscoting job, and I'm going to walk you through some of the details here. First off, we opted to go with a beautiful colonial molding for the actual wainscoting, and we also did all the baseboards with an 8-inch Prestige. I'll show you the profile on that. Just absolutely stunning. And we've also done an 8-inch crown molding throughout inside this beautiful coffered ceiling, right through the hallway and into the lower level. Now, one of the very cool features about this house that we haven't done before is that we actually added a steel gold band inside the actual trim work itself. So let me give you a close-up of that so you can see what I'm talking about. So just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So I'll give you guys a close-up here so you can see the craftsmanship and dedication we put into all our jobs, because for us it's all about the detail. Look at that gold. And of course we went right up to the second floor. This house features 10-foot ceilings, nice and tall. Beautiful chandelier. Matches really well with all the gold we installed. And let me walk you down to the hallway just to show you the paneling. So for the actual wall color, this is a Sherwin-Williams color called Network Gray. And the paint for all our trim, we use the ScuffX line. It's a satin finish, very resilient, and just a great quality product. So we're very excited to show this off to everyone. I hope you guys love it as much as we do. And that's it. We'll see you on the next one.